My name is Supaseti Bauti. I am from Strand. I live with my family. My siblings, I have two siblings. It's me, my younger brother and my sister. I live with my mother, father, grandpa and grandma. I go to Somerset West Methodist Primary School. I'm doing grade 7 now, so it's my last year. I learned about caring people and understand people, their situation, what they are going through, and how am I dealing with it, and working with people, working with girls mostly, because I didn't know, because my life I've been like with boys, so now it's a new thing for me to group up with girls and do some adventures with girls and do more, be creative, say more, and be open, and etc. That's all. This is where my situation had a person. It was a community that had problem that the garbage was being filled up, so they needed dumping sites, so they didn't have. So this is where they put on they're dumping things here inside so that it can transform and get into here and then come out here and then be reused. It's like recycling. No, I don't know now, but I guess I will in the future. I think the size be more bigger, and don't let people do some dumping sites on the road, and let Mother Earth be clean, and we can use this. The workshop took place at the library, at the American Quarter. It took here, and it was very fun there. I loved it at all. I enjoyed mostly grouping up with girls and exploring and do more. And I loved more about the teachers, the lesson. I think I remember everything and I won't forget it at all. That's what I loved.